doon. Dito ka na oh. Napisngi. Yan. Nandiyan ka na sa harapan mismo. Yan. This is Rio Vista 160. My friend, he cut I think that was 31 inch Strabas. He's fighting right now. He's going to the water. Oh, be careful guys. Oh wow, it's a big one, man. Come on, man. Good fight. All right, good. Wow, what a big man. Oh, all right, good bro, good. All right, that's a catch and release there. Oh my goodness, man, come on, man. Hey, catch and release. All right, there he goes. He catch and release now because it's almost limit. Yep. Ilagay mo rito sa taas. Bring it here. Oh man, there he goes. Oh man, yeah, come on man. Catch and release, man. Catch and release. Kukunin mo yan, bahala ka dyan, magkuha.
Asan ang guys?
Wala akong flash nga rito.
What the heck?
Wala akong flash dito. Naiwan sa bahay. Come on man.
Bumutog mo, maawat mo na to.
Ano man man. Ito, ihagis mo na, bahala mamatayan.